In 1721, a plague epidemic was ravaging Marseille. Thousands of people were dying every day. Yet, four thieves kept looting the victims' houses without ever getting sick. Their secret? A vinegar infused with a spice that you probably have in your kitchen right now. That spice is clove. And what I'm about to reveal to you in the next few minutes could literally transform your health with just 2 little cloves a day. But be careful, what you'll discover at point number 8 is so powerful that some researchers still can't believe it. So stay until the end. Welcome to Renaissance Cellulaire, the channel where we decode your body's secrets to help you live longer and healthier. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of this ancient spice. Before I reveal the 11 scientifically proven benefits of cloves, let me tell you a story. Why did this little spice spark wars? Yes, you heard that right. Wars. In the 16th century, cloves were literally worth their weight in gold. The Portuguese, the Dutch and the English fought for decades to control the islands. The Moluccas, in Indonesia, the only place in the world where this mysterious tree grew. But why so much violence over a simple spice? Because the ancients knew something that modern science is only now rediscovering. Clove is not just a spice. It's a natural pharmacy, concentrated in a tiny flower bud. And now, I'm going to prove to you why. First, your immune system will thank you. Do you remember the story of the Four Thieves? It wasn't magic. Cloves contain an exceptional concentration of vitamin C, which boosts the production of white blood cells. These white blood cells are your internal soldiers. The more you have, the better your body can fight infections, viruses and bacteria. Imagine, just 2 cloves a day, and you're giving your internal army daily reinforcements. But that's just the beginning. Second, say goodbye to digestive problems. If you suffer from bloating, gas, or that uncomfortable feeling after meals, listen closely to this. A study conducted by the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Lagos demonstrated something incredible. Clove extract treats stomach ulcers as effectively as some anti-ulcer medications sold in pharmacies. How? Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes. The result? Better digestion, less gas, less nausea. And thanks to their fiber, they also help prevent constipation. My favorite tip: mix clove powder with honey. It's delicious and therapeutic. And what if I told you that the next benefit has been known since ancient times by traditional dentists all over the world? You'll understand why in a few seconds. Third, it's a natural anesthetic that's right in your kitchen. Have you ever had a toothache at 3 a.m. with no way to see a dentist? Our grandparents knew this secret. Place a clove directly on the painful tooth. Eugenol, the main active compound, has powerful local anesthetic properties. The pain eases within a few minutes. This isn't just an old wives' remedy, it's science. And it has worked for thousands of years. Fourth, your liver will breathe easier. Your liver works around the clock to eliminate toxins from your body. But are you giving it what it needs to function? A study from the Department of Food Science and Nutrition at Cairo found that the eugenol in clove oil significantly improves liver function. In other words, a more efficient liver, better detoxification, and more energy. And that's not all. The next benefit concerns something almost all of us suffer from. Fifth, it's a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory. Headaches, muscle pain, chronic inflammation, do these problems sound familiar to you? Eugenol once again gives cloves their powerful analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Here are 2 methods I personally use. For internal use, mix clove powder with rock salt in a glass of warm milk. Drink it slowly. For external use, Soak cloves in coconut oil, then massage your temples with it. Result: natural relief, without the side effects of chemical medications. 6th, rock-solid bones and joints. If you're over 40, or if you want to prevent osteoporosis, this point is crucial. Cloves contain flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol, a trio that increases bone density, promotes the creation of new bone tissue, and improves joint health. And as a bonus, manganese is also excellent for your brain. You protect both your bones and your memory at the same time. But hang on, because what you're about to discover in 2 minutes will leave you speechless. Researchers from prestigious universities have discovered something revolutionary. 7th, it's a formidable bacteria killer. The University of Buenos Aires conducted a fascinating experiment. They put clove oil up against some dangerous bacteria, E. coli and Staphylococcus. Result: clove oil eliminated them. There's even a natural mouthwash recipe made with tea tree oil, clove, and basil. According to the University of Leuven in Belgium, this blend improves gum health and reduces dental plaque in just 21 days. 21 days. Without chemicals. 8th, this is the moment. The one I promised you from the beginning. Scientists from 4 prestigious institutions, Capital Medical University in Beijing, the University of Pittsburgh, the Roswell Park Cancer Institute, and the University of Minnesota, made an extraordinary discovery. Clove extract stops tumor growth and induces cell death in several types of human cancer cells, lung, breast, ovarian, and other types of cancers in their early stages. Eugenol has demonstrated anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. But, and this is important, eugenol can be toxic in large quantities. So don't start an intensive regimen without consulting your doctor. It's crucial. What science tells us is that regular and moderate consumption could play a preventive role. And that's already huge. 9th, it's the most powerful source of antioxidants. Did you know that cloves are the richest food source of polyphenols in the world? These antioxidants lower your cholesterol, regulate your blood pressure, improve the flexibility of your arteries, and neutralize free radicals that cause cancer, heart disease, and arthritis. 2 cloves per day. That's all it takes to benefit from this protection. 10th, it's a natural blood sugar regulator. If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, this could change your life. Cloves act like insulin in your body. A 2006 study showed that daily consumption of cloves for 30 days significantly reduced risk factors for diabetes. The University of Karachi in Pakistan even discovered that cloves improve the function of the cells that produce insulin. Your pancreas thanks you. 11th, optimized blood clotting. Last but not least, cloves contain vitamin K, which is essential for proper blood clotting. However, be careful. If you are taking blood thinners, consult your doctor before increasing your vitamin K intake. Interactions can be dangerous. There you have it, now you know the 11 extraordinary benefits of cloves. From the immune system to anti-cancer potential, including digestion, bones, and blood sugar, this little spice is truly a treasure of nature. Now, I have a question for you. Do you already use cloves? And if so, how? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Cellular Renaissance to keep discovering your body's secrets. We'll see each other very soon for a new video. Until then, take care of yourself from the inside out.